Crafty folks, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I have a haul video from a cherry on top. If you aren't familiar, this is an awesome craft store in Michigan, and I love to order from them when I can. So I'm going to show you what I got. I'm actually going to set this off to the side, so it's more of a surprise. But I will show you all the different things, and yeah. Got some plastic here to open up. Okay, first of all, I thought this was cute. I like the little Christmas tree and sentiments. This is called Starry Night. It's a little Christmas stamp, so I think it was on like mega clearance, so that's why I got it. And I will link anything that's still available in the video description box below, but I just thought I pictured a few of these, or maybe 5 of them in like a rainbow color or something. I don't know. It just seemed like something fun to stamp. Okay. And this one is so cute. I love the pun. Have a Flappy holiday. And then this is Flap. My daughter squealed when she saw this. She's a big time bird lover. She wants to be an ornithologist when she grows up. So super cute there. Okay. Now we have, ooh. Here we go, guys. You know my favorite, All-to-New Arches 3D. I think this is a newer one. Super cool. It's got 3 arches here. Very, I don't know, retro looking. Very excited about this one. Can't wait to play with that one. Okay, and then I have Tiled Chevron 3D. Also, again, these are all to new 3D embossing folders. Oh, here, let me show you the picture on the back, first of all, of this one. Of the Arches 3D. And then Tiled Chevron. This one is going to be really cool. This seems like it's going to be really textured and dramatic. So geometric one, super fun. And then I have a holiday one here. I have the Poinsettia Cluster 3D. I had to double check to make sure I didn't already have this one, because I could have sworn I did, but I don't. I think I have a poinsettia in a Sizzix, which is pretty, but it's a very different look. And y'all know I'm a sucker for these 3D all-to-new ones. So all-to-new Poinsettia Cluster 3D. Here's the picture of that one. So I feel like this would make a really super quick and easy Christmas card, which is what I'm going for. Speaking of easy Christmas cards, my final 2 items here. I'm so excited about these. These are photo play. You can see there is a shadow layer and a inner layer. You can see here. Actually, I'm going to open this up so y'all can see it, and so I can see it. Okay, so you'll want to snip them apart, but you have the inner portion, and I will hold this up to a A2 size here a moment so you can see how imposing this is going to be. So this, I was thinking super easy, quick Christmas cards. I could do some very simple stenciling in the background with a cool Christmas stencil, and then just cut these out either with or without the shadow layer. Or this would be really cute with, like, I don't know, like a vellum shadow layer, and then maybe like, you know, a bright color for the words. But this one says joy, hope, peace, and this one says let's get merry. So not only were these kind of unique sentiments and different than what I have, but like I said, they're nice and big. And they're all connected, which you guys know I love that. There's no little errant tittles or apostrophes. It's all connected in this one piece. So that makes me very happy because that saves time. And I don't like to waste time when I'm being a batch and Betty. Okay, so here's a couple of cute pictures on the back. I actually had to wait a little bit for the order. I was waiting for these to get into the store. It was like a pre-order. So they should be available now. Like I said, I will link everything in the video description box below for a cherry on top. So if you follow that link, I may get some commission at no additional cost to you. So I really appreciate that. That does help support my channel. So if you enjoyed this, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Otherwise, watch for all sorts of Christmas card ideas. You guys know I love to batch. You know I love to keep it simple. And I got to make a lot of Christmas cards. Let me know in the comments how many Christmas cards you make every year. I feel like I was around 100, 125 last year, but I feel like this year it's probably going to be a lot more. So Haven't quite figured it out yet, but I know it's going to be in that general area or more. So let me know in the comments how many you make and what your plans are for your Christmas cards this year. And I'll check you next time. Thanks for watching.